Before you start your shear work, you want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so when you pull the hair, you get the full length. Now that the hair is nice and saturated, we could go ahead and create our first guideline at the top of the capitis and then connect it to the parietal ridge. You want to make sure you pick up the hair with the comb, pull it with your fingers, and then cut with your shears. Us doing our shear work near the calic area is going to make it as smooth as possible. Moving on to the hairline, we're going to start off by debulking it with the one guard all the way open, and then moving on to our Annis T outliner, starting off in the middle and working our way to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Also, if you leave a comment down below, I'm definitely going to reply to it, so make sure you do. Now we're lining up the right side. You always want to make sure all the baby hairs are combed down before you line him up. We're trying to make the vertical bar as crispy as possible. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. Remember, before you use the razor, you always want to apply shave gel to make the razor glide a little bit more smoother. Also, you want to keep the razor at a 45-degree angle and stretch the skin as much as possible.